Hello YouTube, VK here with a big update on the Joy-Con drift fix. I saw a video on GameXplain and they were showing that the new Skyward Sword Joy-Cons had black strips exactly on the analog spots. At first I was happy thinking that Nintendo had possibly acknowledged the problem, but after doing more research, Spawnwave also noted on his Twitter that his older Joy-Cons also had these strips. Was Nintendo trying to fix the drift all along? Then I remembered that I had replaced my Joy-Con shells with custom ones. And then I rushed to grab my original shells, and there they are. By the way, I got my Switch in 2018, so this is out there for a longer time. And I also noticed how one of my Joy-Cons has the strips and the other doesn't. Why not both of them have the strips? Then again, I decided to investigate further, and I've been checking all of the Joy-Con drift attempts, and I've noticed that on one unsuccessful attempt, that his Joy-Cons had the black strips. And the fix wasn't working, probably because the strips were interfering with the card, making the pressure uneven around the analog sticks. So please, if the fix didn't work for you at first, try removing these strips if you have them, and try to reapply the card. This may be an evidence even further that the drift issue is caused by the metal plate on the Joy-Con analogs. Post your results in the comments and join my Discord server as we dig even deeper in this case. If you want to see the playlist of the drift fix attempts, I'll leave a link in the description. See you later!